Hey guys, what's up? Beast from Beast Toys here, coming at you. Gonna do an opening of Ram Man, but hey, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you want to get more notifications of my reviews. Hey, here we go. New Eternia Ram Man. Got this on sale on Target. I had to think a minute. I got it about 3 weeks ago. Got it right around Christmas time. Target had this on sale, and see, it's already. Tapes already had been busted or something. I don't know. Not a big deal because I am going to open it. But at any rate, I got him for like, boy, I don't remember. It was 15 or less. I know that. It was cheap because that's why I bought him. So anyway, I almost want to say it was like $9.99 range because I got him. I got Clawful. Did a video on him too. Anyway, I don't have many of these. I did a Trap Jaw video, a Hordak, and the He-Man 40. That's what I've got. So I've got him. I did get a Clawful. I got a Too Bad, and I got a Skeletor. I'm going to try to get a Beastman, Merman, Fake, or Grizzlor to go with Hordak, and maybe one or two more good guys to go. And then the Triclops. There's a Triclops I know coming out soon too. There's a couple. Probably going to get 6 or 7 more of these guys, and that's it. Not making a big collection of these. May use these kind of more just to pose and maybe tinker with a little bit. So anyway, so here is the back side, and again, this thing's already open kind of. So, but this is kind of cool. This is the new Eternia. It seems like with this Masterverse, the new Eternia and beyond is where they're going. They're kind of, for lack of a better word, there's the inside. Just looks like a castle wall. It's kind of cool. For lack of a better word, though. Looks like they're going with the G.I. Joe Classified touch. It's funny, I saw in a forum a week and a half or 2 weeks ago some people arguing about what happened with Classified in the beginning. If you're a Classified guy, I dropped a fist. I was looking, I was like missing something. Anyway, if you're a Classified guy, you realized, and if you knew this, that it was that the new line was based around the toy line. The toy line was based around the video game. Some guys were arguing, no, it wasn't. It was. When you look, those figures that you got were the exact figures in the game. Now, some people said, oh, the game came first. Some people said the figures came first. Doesn't matter. Truthfully, the fact of the matter of this story is it doesn't matter what came first. That's what they based that around. They realized people kind of liked it, and they're like, oh crap. And then they get some feedback with people that say, hey, we want some guys to look more like the originals because they're too futuristic. And then lo and behold, that's where we're at. And it's a very popular, strong line. Anyway, back to this though. And I compare that to this because all of a sudden with the new Eternia, these Masterverse are starting to look more and more like an updated version of the originals, which is cool. And that's where I come in with these. I kind of like them, and I'll catch them. When I catch them on sale, I'm gonna buy them. It's not something I'm gonna go. I'm not hunting these down not particularly after them. So, but like I said, like this guy fell into my lap at like $10. I'm like, I'm up to buy. I'm up for that. So we're gonna check him out. Open a couple of these guys, check them out. There's the box again. He's the new Eternia Ram. I'm gonna set that there. So here we go. Let's check him out. So a lot of features similar to the G.I. Joe, the Star Wars Black Series. These guys are a little thicker though. At least this one is because it's Ram Man. He's a little thicker. Cool thing is, comes with multiple heads. You can change his head, give him a different look. This is a Judge Dredd look. I think that's what they were going for, truthfully. You can take the fists out. We can put one in so he can hold the axe. The fists do have some play, obviously, so you can you can do that. This is tight. This one's tight, by the way. So I'm trying to squeeze that in somehow. Almost like I gotta push down and pry them open. So the fingers are stiff, by the way, super stiff. You know, you have the ball on the end of a lot of these axe and swords and spear type weapons that you get with these kind of figures, and sometimes like that you just gotta really just drive it in there. So there we go. We give him his axe. There's his, you know, look. I guess you can put this suit on over this, and then there's a place to hold the axe, obviously, if you want to do that. Trying to look and see, how do you go? Okay, so it's, you know, like the original, has these little things on the side. You just push down and then they come unlatched, obviously, and we can go down, and you can get this look. I'm going to show you the look. I'm not going to put it on all the way, but you're going to get that look if you want that look. I don't. I like him just the way he is. I kind of think this is a added accessory that they don't necessarily have to throw in. Again, and some people might. You might like it. Your person might like it. It goes with this, so well, we can check it out real quick. The fun part, trying to take the head off. I'm probably gonna there. Almost feel like it cracked. It was making a noise. There's a gap on both sides of that, so pushing it in though, doesn't feel like it's something that gave way. Alright, well, we're going to give it the Judge Dredd look really quick, just for you guys to see. So here we go. Here's what you're going to get with the Judge Dredd look. So there you go. And then of course you could always put this on too. Again, I'm not going nuts yet. Gonna put the original head back on, but there you go. So we got our two heads. I'm putting this guy right back on. We're gonna take that back off and put this back on. Here you go, pops back in place. So you can't see it, but you can bend the knees. He's got this flexible stuff. I could see this many years down the road dry rotting. Unfortunately, it's a rubberish material. Yeah, that could very well tear up and dry rot down the road if it's ever. If this is a kid's toy, for instance, if I'm a kid and I'm playing with it outside a lot and getting it wet, eventually it's gonna wear down, and you're gonna get that. So, but anyway, so there you have it, guys. There's your Ram Man with accessories. So 2 sets of hands. Hopefully you can see that. All right, I almost feel like it's too close. I think I zoomed in good. 2 sets of 2 hands, 3 heads, chest piece, an axe. So that's good enough. You know, that's close to the original. So there you go, guys. There's your Masterverse new Eternia Ram Man. I think this is the second one, actually. I think there's another one, if I'm not mistaken. But again, I like this one. This one will go with my He-Man, obviously, so it's a perfect fit. All right, guys, so there you go. There you have it. Hope you got something out of it. Got to check it out. If you find him on sale, great. If you don't, you want him, you know, 20, 21 bucks isn't that bad for these figures anyway. But only reason I'm saying that I went and got it is because I'm not really planning on collecting much of this line, and if I find something cheap, I'm going to grab it. So just to put a few handful of maybe a shelf full of figures is what we'll say together at some point. So all right, guys, that's it. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and check out more of my videos and reviews. And guys, with the Ram Man New Eternia, I'm Beast from Beast Toys. We'll see you.